Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about the best websites from where you can learn a particular premium skill in which we are talking about in our video. So guys, let's get started. Welcome to the new video. In this video, I will teach you about the three best websites from where you can learn Swift language. As you know, Swift language is also one of the best programming language in the world right now. So it is worth it to learn this skill. So guys, as you know our video format, first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and check the competition and demand of the skill. And then we will go towards our websites. So I am going to fiverr.com. I write here Swift. Swift is basically used for iOS development, means Apple. So I will open some gigs. But first of all, I would like to change the currency. Mm. That's it. So the first gig is from Vipul Dudhat. He's from India and he completed 748 orders. Great. I will develop iOS app in Swift 5. Okay. In basic, he charged $100. Contact me for before the order. Price is different from each project. So let's the first discussion on requirements. Okay. In small, $900 small app. Contact me before the order. Price is different for each product, so let's first discuss on requirements. Okay. In the third, he charged almost $2,900. Contact me before the order. Price is different for each product, so let's first discussion on the requirements. Great. And he completed 748 orders, and you can analyze how much he is making from this single gig. You can also check out his gig description and take an idea and make your gig according to it. But first learn the skill and then you can create gig on Fiverr. So guys, that's it for this gig. Let's move towards another gig. I will develop an iOS app for iPhone and iPad in Swift and Swiftify. Kashif Rizwan from Pakistan, 116 orders completed. Great. In basic package, charge $100, a basic functionality to screen app with app logo and splash screen, your logo required. Standard $200, 5 screen native component, basic features, logo and splash screen, your logo required. In premium, he charged almost $995, means $1,000. I will develop complete business applications according to user requirement, 10 to 15 screens, great. 21-day delivery for revisions, great. And after that, platform iOS app, native development technology, Swift, okay. You can also compare his packages and like uh, you can also check out his gig description and make your own according to it, but do not copy his description, write in your own words. So that's it for this gig. Let's move towards another gig. I will develop fix bugs upload iOS app using Swift and export upload to Apple Store. Okay. Gauri Shankar, Myanmar, Burma. Okay. App development first. Basic package he charged $100. App store build uploading. Okay. Apple Store build uploading. Okay. $130 Apple Store build uploading. iOS development 150 Apple Store build build uploading. Okay. He completed 207 orders and 68 5-star reviews. You can this profile is very good, but he need to optimize his packages and that's great. After that you can also check out his gig compare packages and check out his gig description and also uh, uh, other mobile app development services. Check out his complete profile so you can get an idea. So I think that's it for the Fiverr part. Let's move towards our websites. So the first website to learn Swift programming is docs.swift.org. This is the official website of Swift. So this is the reliable source to learn Swift. And welcome to Swift. About Swift, version compatibility, Swift doer, basics, operators, string characters, collections, control flow, etc., etc. So these are the Swift topics which this website divided into sections, so you can easily learn from there. So the first website is this. now move towards our second website, which is called hackingwithswift.com. You can also learn there. Click on learn, start here, latest article, 100 days of Swift UI, 100 days of Swift. Click on this. This is basically a challenge. And day one, you need variable, simple data types, string interpretation. Day two, you learn this. Day three, and that's why in 100 days you learn the complete Swift language. I think this is a good approach. So you may consider this website. So last website, swift.org, and you can also learn from here. Like they also divide the topics in like sections, so you can easily learn from there. So these are the three websites, and I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.